Thank you very much. We are here with Mheshimiwa Waluke. Yes. Mheshimiwa, just tell us about today's event.
The event was very good between the two parties, UDA and ODM.
Yeah.
And the president and the youth leader, Oburu Odinga, they are giving Kenyans hope.
We had the president saying that he'll be in a position of transforming Kenya, and he was in a position of telling Kenyans to come together to avoid politics of diversity that might divide the country. As a member of parliament, what do you want to say about that?
That is what we that's what we want, because we want peace in this country, and that is the way to go. The way the president said, we agree 100% because we want our country to grow. You see, we are heading to. Do you know where we are heading?
Yeah.
Where?
Election,
and also Singapore.
Yeah.
Also, we are heading to Singapore.
Also, we have been seeing that you are transforming your constituency a lot.
No, and Western region as a whole. Trans Nzoia, Bungoma, Vihiga, Kakamega, Busia, and even diaspora here in Nairobi, because Sifuna is here in Nairobi, and others, Kina Elijah, there are so many Luya MPs here. Aladwa.
Do you believe Vision 2030 of transforming Kenya to be the real Singapore?
Definitely. You see, I was impressed on Sunday when I was coming home. I mean, from home to Nairobi, when I saw the road, Rironi to Malaba is being worked on. This is real.
Exactly.
This is real. I'm telling you.
So
if you go across, you see.
Over
100 and something machines are on that road constructing, and that is what we want. So this is real. The journey to Singapore is real. It's not a joke. It's unstoppable.
So those are fighting the government should stop and join the president.
Stop and support the president to work, because we want the president to give this country a new face to Singapore.
We had the president saying that he'll be in a position of transforming Kenya, and saying that since he took the assumption of office, he have done a lot to Kenya.
In a span of 3 years, there's a very big change if you don't know. We can mention the Ron Road, we can mention now the SGR from Naivasha to Kisumu to Malaba. We can mention, when you go everywhere in every constituency, electricity engineers of this country are all over, everywhere, working on to make sure that the electricity reaches each and every household. You can mention even this education that was spoiled by the former government, this Matiang'i, when he was the Minister of Education, and the former president is trying to construct, to bring back education to help our children. So I think the president is really trying. Look at now Kenya is not, there is no hunger in Kenya. We are not begging or borrowing food from other nations. We have plenty of food in this country. People are wearing sufurias on their head, politicians. Now they can't, because there's enough food. And that is, if you have food security, then you are okay with your people. And that's what we want.
Thank you very much for your time, Mheshimiwa.